Meaning of hazy.
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 Hazy. The term hazy refers to a state of uncertainty or vagueness, typically characterized by a lack of clarity or distinctness. It can refer to both physical and metaphorical conditions, such as a hazy day with poor visibility or a hazy memory that is difficult to recall. The word may also describe a mood or feeling that is indistinct or ambiguous, lacking in clarity or precision. In short, hazy suggests a state of confusion, obscurity, or haziness, where things are not clearly defined or easily understood.